Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Silverado D generation here from year 2014 to year 2019. If you need to find where the fuel pump fuses are located, you need to check up to 3 of them. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. Where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, engine lights, fuses, all that stuff guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing these videos absolutely free. Now guys, we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So please check them out, and they can save you quite a bit of money now or in the future. So guys, the fuel pump fuses, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on the generation Chevy Silverado here. By the way guys, if you have one of those, 9 out of 10 people do not know how many hidden fuse boxes are all over this truck. We recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Chevy Silverado. What you guys need to do, open the hood, and once you guys open the hood, here on the driver's side, that's your engine fuse box. Open that cover, underneath you'll see a layout like that one for year 2014 through 16, and layout like this one for 2017 through 19. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Now guys, quick thing, if you need to buy fuses, relays, parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time guys, we're going to put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out, that way you do not waste money and time. For the fuel pump guys, okay, you need to check up to 3 fuses because we have for main pump, transfer pump guys. So first we'll demonstrate on 2014 through 16 model. Please make sure to stay until the end guys. We want to share one good advice with you, that way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. So if we guys come right here now, okay, and we zoom in a little bit, okay, let's zoom in towards the top. Perfect, just like that. The first fuse that we will need to check for a fuel pump, it's known as fuse number 18. We're talking about that fuse right here, 20 amp fuse in our case. Then you need to check fuse number 21, this 30 amp fuse right there. And after that you have one more, which is known as, you may or may not have this one by the way, fuse number 41. It really depends on which engine you have, but if you have it, it will be the 3rd fuse after that relay right here. If you have 2017 through 19, let's zoom in, the location will be the same, 18, 21 here. And after that guys, okay, you will need to check fuse number 41 if you have it guys. On some models you will have that one as well. Now guys, you have all kind of different fuses and relays in that Chevy Silverado. You have different fuses, relays that could be really hard to find, especially if you're in the middle of nowhere. And one time we needed a replacement one, we couldn't get one, we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. So what we do now, we always get some spare fuses, relays, keep them in the glove box for a peace of mind guys, that way you do not get stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.